So you have the Bitcoin address copied?
Yeah.
All right. And it's allowing you to send it?
Yeah, pulled up how much Bitcoin to put in, to send it, put it in the.
Can you share
address.
your screen again? Yep, guys, we are helping one of our friends and clients to set up his brokerage account. We are willing to help you guys out, get set up so you guys can join the Discord community and as well as take our signals. Make sure you sign up on the links below. We have multiple brokerages in the description. Okay, cool. Yep, you should be able to hit next. Yep, confirm. I guess it didn't need verification.
All right, dope.
Guys, also my brother is on here as well. Gashu, check out his fitness channel as well as he has a podcast channel. But he is also on here. Jumper, on Hugo's Way, how long did it normally take for you to receive your deposits?
30 minutes.
30? Damn, that's faster than Trader's Way.
Yeah, that's pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
That's dope.
This is gonna be dope once we actually like launch and we have like mass amounts of people here on a live call. It's gonna be insane. Like,
and you got, I have to make another account after that, don't I? Because now that I have to wait for the deposit.
Yeah, go to create account here. Yeah, I think you may have to wait for the deposit to get to you. Yep, it'll be the ECN. USD, unless you want to see the currency in Bitcoin, but yeah, just put USD and then create account. Okay, yeah, you have to receive your deposit first, and then it's a little bit confusing. You see where it says internal transfer, like go back to the menu. Probably should take about half an hour. Yeah, internal transfer. Once you receive the money in your Hugo's Way account, you'll have to transfer it to your trading account.
Yep.
It's a little different than I don't think you have to do that on Trader's Way. It just goes directly into your account.
right? Yeah, it just goes directly in.
Hugo's Way a little bit different, but there's way more stuff you actually. Yeah, I think there's way more stuff you can kind of trade on Hugo's. You can even short Amazon and Tesla and other things like that. I don't believe.
Yeah, you can't do that on Trader's Way.
Yeah, so there's some
Hugo's Way
interesting
is one of the
things you can do on Hugo's for sure. Maybe eventually we can look into doing some stock
especially
forex
as of
trades.
late. Did you see they had it was something like 30,000 cars were recalled for Tesla, so they started plummeting. Like the stock price just started to come down a good bit. They had some issues with the batteries or something and recalled a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, we were looking at this the other day, JP, and if you look, like we had this SIR zone formed here. False little breakout, didn't really do too much on the upside. Another little possible breakout, bears or bulls basically failed to continue that breakout. Came back down super hard to retest these previous daily lows, and now if you look, we're literally stuck in this range overall right here, between here around 1784 and 1772. So it's been consolidating right here. I can definitely see it pulling back here again since it tried to break out, did a little bit, failed to break up past the 1795 range and came right back down super hard. This shows me that, yes, the bulls did take over, but when these bears brought this pair back down, that the overall sentiment of this pair is actually bearish. So once we see it continuing, come back down and retest, come up, retest. Now it's starting to, on these lower time frames, slightly starting to break back down below the 50-day moving average. Now, obviously, we need further confirmation, but I could definitely see this retesting and coming back down to like 72. And then, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this is super strong zones. So 6 times touched on the bottom. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, same thing. Yeah, so right now this thing is literally just sideways. Like,
yeah,
once it hits the hour chart, look at
72 again, it might just come right back up. Yeah, this is scalp city.
I'm telling you, I've been scalping. I'm telling you, last night made 150 when I woke up.
But
yeah, it's literally
sometimes scalp city can just go crazy and it breaks out of the zone.
That's why you have stop losses.
And look, so if we look here, bring up this highlight thing.
Because you can get wasted without that stop loss. Larry, if you're still there, put a stop loss on everything.
Yeah. So like here,
zoned
we
here
had consolidation. It was down here, this nice little double bottom that we looked at the other day. Now this is obviously way down at 76, so this is looking further, way further. But if we do break here, I mean, the next like overall zone would be kind of like right here, like the low or mid 17s, and then all the way back down to like some of the 16 ranges. So this zone is super important.
If it breaks upward, then it's like 1805 is probably the next kind
right.
of
If
zone.
we break up here, I mean, you have a little bit of like choppiness, like right here a little bit, but overall, like we had these nice clean candles on the way up, so we could see a nice clean pump up.
I was thinking that because of the housing market right now, they say it's a retarded bubble right now. So I'm hoping that when the housing market collapses, like late this year or early next year, that the gold just goes crazy. Like, I'm sure it's going to go crazy. I'm sure I'm going to have to hold it for a while, at least a month or two. But with the news that about inflation lasting way longer than they thought, and about the job numbers, when everything comes out really in the next like 2 months about how much our economy is really down, I feel like gold is going to skyrocket because the housing market, the housing market is about to explode, literally. People don't like the lumber mills. Lumber mills are starting to get people coming back to work because friggin' all the pandemic stuff is going away. So people are going to start coming back, chopping down trees, and lumber is going to drop in price.
Most of the wood comes from Canada, and they ain't shipping it over.
What the hell?
Yeah, it could definitely, like Brad was just saying, break down to like 1720, maybe even hit 1675 again.
You don't understand. The reason why he's saying this is because it's friggin' they destroyed the economy. This stimulus stuff is not good. Like, it's good for us because it's like temporary financing.
All right, so I think we're good to go, Larry. We got everything set up on the brokerage and everything, right?
Yep. Just waiting for confirmation.
All right,
should be depositing soon.
Definitely, that'll be dope. Get you started with everything. Yeah, guys, we're definitely willing to help out setting up the brokerage accounts, getting started trading, pointing you guys in the right direction, hopping on one-on-one sessions with you guys or just group sessions in general, and kind of guiding you guys in the right direction. That's what we want with POE. We see a lot of companies simply sending out signals, dropping videos, not really actually coaching or providing value. Think of us like coaches. We want to coach you in the right direction, teach you guys from our mistakes, our experiences to help us win quote unquote championships together and just overall become successful through this. But yeah, definitely check out the links in the description of this video. We have our brokerages that we recommend and links down there. Like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, Jared, we're probably going to link up, do something today, just kind of show people, hop on here, trade in the morning a little bit. The beauty of Forex, you don't have to sit on here for 8 hours, 10 hours, 12-hour days. People out there working crazy shifts. I've had jobs in the past working 12, 14-hour days. And, now hop on here 2 or 3 hours in the morning, get together, spend time with friends, family, travel, do whatever you want to for the rest of the day. So probably link up and do some fun stuff today.
Yep. Rest of this lifestyle video is coming. You guys stay on the video and Yeah. Heading to go just trade and chill. Another day in the life video, kind of lifestyle video. That's our category or playlist.